In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear or delete your recent search history on Twitter, now known as X. Keeping your search history clean can be useful for privacy, or simply to tidy up suggestions you no longer need. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to remove specific searches from your recent history. First, make sure you're logged into your X account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, you should land on your home dashboard. This is the main feed where you see posts from people you follow, along with recommended content. If you're not already there, you can get to it by going to the X homepage and signing in. From your home dashboard, look over to the menu on the left side of the screen. In that left-hand column, you'll see several options, such as Home, Notifications, Messages, and so on. Find the option labeled Explore. Go ahead and click on Explore. This section is where you can discover trending topics, recommended content, and most importantly for this video, access the search bar that stores your recent searches. Once the Explore page opens, you'll see a search field at the top of the screen. This is where you normally type in keywords, usernames, or hashtags to search on X. Click directly into that search field. As soon as you click inside it, a drop-down should appear, showing a list of your recent searches. These might include topics you've looked up, accounts you've visited, or hashtags you've followed. Now, take a moment to look through this list and decide which recent search you want to remove. Next to each recent search item, you'll see a small X icon. This icon appears on the right side of each entry. To delete a specific search from your history, move your cursor over to that X and click it once. As soon as you click the X next to a search term, that individual item will be removed from your recent search list. You can repeat this process for any other searches you want to clear. Just click into the search field, find the item you want to delete, and click the X next to it, and that's it. You've now learned how to quickly and easily clear individual items from your recent search history on X.